Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you bold your text into Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Google Chat application at very first. And after opening the Google Chat application, simply open any of the chat where you would like to send the bolded text. For example, I'm opening this chat into here, and now you will get to see this plus button right here. Just simply tap to plus button and then select this option of format into the second last. Now after selecting formats, there will be so many options available into here. Now in order to show, I'll write some words into normal text. Then select this B icon into here and then if you write down the message now, it will show your text into bold. As you can see here, I have this difference between old text and the new one. It is slightly bolded, and if you write it in capital letter, it will be even more bolded. This way you can easily bold your text into your Google Chat. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.